Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to go live on Twitch. So basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead into the App Store or Google Play, and what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just go ahead and start looking for Twitch, right? I'm gonna just double check if the Twitch app needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and do it so we can fix all the bugs and stability issues and all that, and move along to the next step after you update it. So as you can see right here, this is the interface of the app or the home feed of the live streams. I'm gonna just go ahead and click create at the top right, and basically it's gonna switch you to the creator mode. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead into clicking the plus button right here to go ahead and start a new IRL, or maybe just go ahead and start a new game, like with your face, and the game is playing on or something like that. So basically you have two options: stream IRL, or you have the stream games for like only the game on your mobile device. And I'm gonna just go ahead right here and select whatever, follow the instructions, and then enable the camera and the microphone. Basically just the rest is history, right? Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.